No, don't eat the couch. No, bad. Bad boy. No, don't even think about it. I know what you're up to. Hey! Hey! No eating couches. You're gonna paws. Look at my paws. They're so much bigger than your paws. Yeah, so much bigger. So much. Fish. Just fishing. Being a fish. Floating around. And then we have the kitty. Hey Diablo. Just hanging out on the entertainment stand. Watching Bruce and I be cute, I guess. Maybe not.